It can't be selfish. It can't be all about you. It can't be all about what you want this person to give to you, but what do you want to pour into this person? What do you want to pour into this relationship? Because really, it's the three of you. And what do you mean you say, Jimenez, it's the three of you? No, it's just me and my wife. No, it's you, it's God, you, and your spouse. It's the three of you together. Now, God is the cord that binds you together in that relationship. And He's the cord that will keep you together in that relationship. And when that relationship begins to unravel, what I found in my past experience is that God wasn't in it. That I wasn't seeking God and the other person wasn't seeking God. We were too focused on what we wanted and what our feelings were at the time. So I really strongly want to make sure I emphasize to the men out there who are seeking a mate, seeking a spouse. Let God lead you. Okay, it can't all be about the looks and the hair and the nails and the car and the wealth and all those different things. All right. And truly it comes from the heart. You really need to see someone for who they are inside and really make sure that you're prepared and that you're ready for that. For the responsibility that comes with being a helpmate, the responsibility that comes with being a husband, the responsibility of loving someone unconditionally in whatever state that they're in, whether they're having a great day or a bad day, whether they're feeling good or not feeling good, whether they are feeling you today or not feeling you today, that you will love that person as God loves you unconditionally.